The Free State High Court has been informed that there's been no contact between Bester and his legal team since his transfer to the Ebongweni Correctional Center in January this year. Bester's legal team submitted that this lack of consultation is hindering his preparations for the trial. They say attempts to get the Department of Correctional Services to respond to requests have been futile. His legal representation told the court that the lawyer-client relationship has been strained and that this might lead to the termination of legal representation. Bester also has other interlocutory matters in which he seeks to have his bank account unfrozen, access to a laptop, and more relaxed jail conditions.
We are not ready to proceed unless our current findings will be addressed. Number one, we have not been able to consult with accused number 7 due to his location or transfer to the Ebongweni security. And equally so, we have not yet received the docket because we have not been instructed in that direction. There has been communication, of course, with the state for the purpose of disclosure, but there has never been an instruction in that. That's number 2.
The prosecution has committed to engage the Department of Correctional Services to facilitate consultation time between Bester and his legal team.
I will avail myself to assist, and with the help of the investigating officer, that arrangements are made for a proper consultation.
Magudumana's lawyer had submitted to the court that proceeding with the trial before the outcome of a constitutional matter would not serve any purpose and would waste the court's time. Magudumana's appeal against her extradition in Tanzania was heard by the Apex Court in May. She wants her arrest in Tanzania declared unlawful. Nevertheless, her lawyer said they were ready for trial should the High Court proceed.
My lady, in as far as that is concerned, we are still looking into that space, but we will advise the state accordingly. But that will not necessarily impact on the trial itself. So in the event that we consider that those options, we will inform all the parties, including the state, of our intention to do so.
The judge earlier gave a stern warning against delays, insisting that the matter should go on trial.
We cannot continue like this, and as you now know, there are judgments that indicated that even though interlocutory issues have not been disposed of, nothing prevents a criminal trial from proceeding. So, but let's deal with that in August.
Bester is accused of faking his death in cell 35 of the G4S prison in 2022. His co-accused, including former employees of the prison and Magudumana's father, Zolile Sekeleni, are said to have assisted him by bringing the body of Katlego Bereng into the prison and setting it alight as a decoy for Bester's escape. Bester and Magudumana were apprehended in Tanzania in 2023. They have been charged alongside former G4S employees Senue Matswara, Debo Dipolo, Teo Makhotsa, Joel Maketa, and Magudumana's driver, Zimbabwean national Zanda Moyo. The trial date has been provisionally set for the first quarter of 2027. Kamagelo Siekwi, SABC News, Bloemfontein.